division algorithm for polynomials. So we are talking about how to divide polynomials. Before we look into how to divide, let's answer the question, why do we need it? So see, the thing is, it was easy to find the zeros of a linear polynomial, quadratic, cubic up to a certain extent, but for higher degrees, right, we need the help of division algorithm along with trial and error combination of that. Okay, so we won't be seeing too many higher degree polynomials, but the idea is shown in few questions, so I hope you guys can appreciate that. So to answer this, division algorithm for polynomials helps in finding the zeros of polynomials with degree more than or equal to 3. Even for quadratic we can use it, not that we can't, but yeah, generally we use splitting the middle term, and for higher degree we use trial and error plus division algorithm. Okay, there are other ways of finding, but yeah, this way with trial and error and division algorithm we can find it a bit faster. So next thing is, what does the division algorithm tell? The statement form. So you guys already know this. It just tells that divisor is equal to, so dividend is equal, sorry, dividend. It's always confusing. Divisor into quotient plus a remainder. Okay, that's it. So if we convert this to equation form, it will be A is equal to B into R plus into Q plus R, is it not? Right? Since we are talking about polynomials, let us use E of x is equal to B of x into Q of x plus R of x, where R's degree will be lesser than B's degree, right? So if you come across something called as Euclid division lemma, this expression makes sense to you guys. All this equation and this statement will make sense to you guys. Euclid division lemma. Okay, if you come across this, then this will make sense to you guys. It's nothing but the same thing, just written in a fancy way. That's it. So let's begin by dividing this particular expression, a cubic expression, with a quadratic expression. Before you do any division, there are two things that you need to do. Checklist. That is, we need to write both the divisor and the dividend in a standard form and see to that all the terms are there. If they're not there, what should we do? We'll add 0. Right? I had shown this initially in the basics. So I told you all this will help. So let's start off. Let's begin by writing in standard form and adding zeros if needed. So the divisor A of x, dividend. I always get confused. Dividend, divisor. Okay, the dividend is equal to 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. It's already written in a standard form. That's good. Next, the divisor b of x is equal to x square, 1x square plus 2x plus 1. So that's your standard form. Now the division itself. So remember, the division requires good amount of space. So always start dividing in a place wherein you have a good length and breadth space, So let me start off over here. 1x square plus 2x plus 1 dividing 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, so right now take the first term of the divisor and the dividend. So we're looking at the procedure. So whenever you are dividing two polynomials, you should start by taking the first term of both the divisor and the dividend. Divide them separately. So in this case, it is this is rough space. So we're looking at dividing 3x cube by x square. So this will be 3 divided by 1 is 3. X cube divided by x square is x. So we have 3x. So next step is multiply 3x with all of this term and write it over here. So 3x into x square is 3x cube. Then 3x into 2x is 6x square. 3x plus 1 is plus 3x. Okay. Then put a line. See, in division, if you think about it, if you whenever you're dividing, you change the sign, is it not? Think about it. If you divide, say 5, 146, something like this. 5 2s are 10, right? Actually, this is plus. The product is plus, but you change it to minus. Same way here too, right? Wherever there is plus, we'll convert it to minus. And if there was any minus, we would have converted that to plus. So we'll be looking at that as well. So this too, then we should check the signs and put the old ones in brackets and the new ones out there so that there is no confusion. So 3x cube minus 3x square, sorry, 3x cube minus 3x cube will get cancelled. Then plus 1x square minus 6x square will give me minus 5x square. Plus 2x minus 3x will give me minus x, and this is plus 5. Okay, right? So then again start fresh, look at the first term over here, divide them. So minus 5x square minus x square, 1x square will give me minus 5 into 1. So I'm going to write minus 5 over here. So minus 5, I'm going to multiply with all of this. So we have minus 5x square. Minus 5 into 2x is minus 10x. Minus 5 into plus 1 is minus 5. And it's must for you to change the sign. So we have plus, and this 2 is plus. So this will get cancelled, and we have this to be minus x plus 5x is plus 9x, and this is plus 10. Again, I'll repeat, all we did was divide minus 5x square and the first term of the divisor, divisor, that we got to be minus 5. So I wrote minus 5 over here, and we have to multiply with all of this term. So minus 5 into all of this term will give you minus 5x square minus 10x minus 5. So as per division process, we need to change the sign. It doesn't matter if it's negative or positive, you have to change the sign. So negative becomes positive, and here too negative becomes positive. Then you do the process of adding or subtracting whatever comes into picture. Point is, here you have to get 0. So in this case it will get cancelled, and here too you got 0. And here we're looking at plus 9x and plus 10. Can we do further division? No, we can't further divide because the remainder degree is 1, while the degree of the divisor is 2. So we have to end the process since the reminder's degree is less than divisor's degree. The division ends. So we have the quotient to be 3x minus 5, divisor is this and the remainder is this. So you can write it in a standard form in this way. So 3x cube plus, okay, before that let me write the actual statement. a of x is equal to b of x into q of x plus r of x. So the dividend is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 being equal to the divisor is x square plus 2x plus 1 into the quotient. Quotient is this 3x minus 5 plus the remainder, which is 9x plus 10, right? And that's your division algorithm. Okay, you can also pause it and try it out, check if your answer is same. So I'm not very confident. So I've programmed this division process as well. So let's look at the division. Apparently I can't zoom in. Okay, I can. Yeah, so we're looking at division of 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, right? So that's something else. Okay, 3x cube plus x square. I'm dividing 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 5, and the divisor is x square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2 plus 2x plus 1. So I here have the division process. It looks a bit lengthy. The program looks a bit lengthy. Yes, it's a bit lengthy, but it's not that complicated. Okay, so let me execute it. We have to enter the degree of the dividend. So we have the dividend to be cube, right? Let me change this 5. Yeah, dividend to be a cube, and the divisor is quadratic, so it is 2. Enter the coefficient of the dividend. So the coefficient of dividend is coefficient of x cube is 3, x square is 1, x to the power of 1 is 2, and the constant is 5. Enter the coefficient of the divisor. So we have 1, 2, 1. Okay, the coefficient of the remainder is 9 and 10. So yes, we have 9 and 10, that's good. And the coefficient of the quotient is 3 and minus 5. 3 and minus 5. Yes, our division is correct. Okay, so again, all this will help you to find things faster, but yes, this will teach you to be disciplined. That's the main reason. Yeah, there are two reasons to introducing to, actually not two, quite a few reasons, but yeah, as of now I would like to point out one of the two reasons. One is you'll learn to be disciplined. If you want to do such questions which are lengthy and it will take some time to do it, you have to be disciplined. Only then you'll get the answer. So I can't just enter some numbers over here and expect the same answer, because this coding works with a specific instruction. It doesn't work like human, wherein it makes an error and you get the right answer. Whatever we tell that, it will be doing that. Okay, so one of the things is, if you don't know even the coding, I would like you guys to copy all of this and try it out, right? Try to enter, execute, and see to that your division, quotient, and the remainder is the same. Okay, it will teach you a lot. So of course, I would like you guys to learn coding as well. That we will be doing in a separate section. But yeah, if you're not interested, at least try to execute and see if your division is going really good, right? So this is your division. You can copy the question and try it on your own as well. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. There are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.